In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to convert a Wix website to HTML code. The process begins with publishing your website on the Wix platform. In essence, the specific web page that you wish to convert to HTML code must be already live and accessible online. Moving forward, the next step is to open the published page on a web browser. You may use any browser of your choice, be it Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. You just need to navigate your way to the specific page you want to convert to HTML. With your website open, the next important phase is accessing your browser's developer tools. This might sound technical, but it's quite simple. You will merely need to right-click anywhere on the page, bearing in mind to avoid images and specific elements if your aim is to capture the code of the entire page. From the context menu that pops up, select Inspect or Inspect Element. The specific terminology may vary based on the browser you are using, but the function remains the same. Clicking on this option will open the developer tools of your browser. Having accessed your developer tools, your next focal point is the HTML code of your web page. Within the developer toolbox, you should find a tab, typically labeled Elements or Inspector. This tab is a treasure trove, as it unveils the HTML structural format of your web page. It's essentially the backbone of your website visually displayed. Now comes the capturing part. Within the Elements or Inspector tab, you can usually right-click on the HTML tag that represents the whole page or a specific section if you are only interested in a portion of the web page. This will present you with a context menu, allowing you to select Copy, then either Copy Element or Copy Outer HTML. This will copy the designated HTML to your clipboard, ready for the final step. To wrap up, let's move to the final part of the process. You will need a plain text editor like Notepad, Sublime Text, VS Code, or any other you prefer. Once you have this ready, simply paste the copied HTML code into your chosen text editor. Now you have a tangible representation of your Wix website in HTML format. Always ensure to save this as an .html file to maintain its functionality. And voila! You just learned how to convert a Wix website to HTML code. This process opens up an avenue for you to make advanced customizations to your website, befitting to your unique style and preferences. So go ahead, experiment, and create something that truly represents you.